What's in the pot? I'm going to show you how to make that cornbread that I've been showing y'all for the soups and stuff like that. Here's everything you need to make it. I'm going to show you what I like to use, and you can figure out, whatever you want. You don't have to use these ingredients. You can do the same thing with different ingredients or different brands. I like this Martha White self-rising cornmeal. I like this White Lily flour. I use regular table salt. I got this salted butter from Aldi. I got this milk from Aldi. And last but not least, I like Clobber Girl baking powder. You're gonna need some measuring cup, a whisk, a mixing bowl, and my favorite, a cast iron skillet. And this one is made by Lodge USA. What I like to do is preheat my oven while I'm mixing all the ingredients. And I almost forgot, you gotta have 2 eggs. But back to preheating the oven. You wanna preheat that oven on 400 degrees. And then stick your pan in and let it preheat for about 8 to 10 minutes. You're gonna need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, and 1 cup of milk. Half a stick of butter. 1 teaspoon of the baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. And of course, the 2 eggs. The thing I like about this Clobber Girl is it has this little level thing. So you can kind of level it out if you want to. Boom. And I'm going to melt the butter in the oven. Let it just... Here's the salt. Now you want to stir this up vigorously. It'll start looking like this, and you just kind of incorporate everything. And don't forget to add your melted butter back in. Be careful because it's going to be hot. Alright. And I'll start getting that kind of consistency. You just want to make sure it's real nice and consistent. And if you preheat your pan and then you also grease it up with like butter or Pam or something like that, when you pour the batter in, it'll keep it from helping from stick to your pan. Alright, it's going to be kind of doughy. Just to give you kind of an idea. And what I do, I just kind of spread it out a little evenly. But, you don't want to push it down. Alright, put your cornbread in the oven. Then give it about 20 minutes. Set a timer or whatever. And I'm going to show you a little trick in a minute. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes. And wow, would you look at that? It's already golden brown. But I like to take a little slab of butter and just work it around. Just for... Here's the test. Look at that. Perfect cornbread. You can also add a cup of sugar if you want sweet cornbread.